Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a meme coin trading strategy that you can use to make thousands of dollars every single day trading meme coins. This is a super low risk strategy, it has a very high win rate, so I highly recommend using this if you are a new trader or even an experienced trader as well. And there are two key components that you do need in order to start trading with this strategy and just trading Solana meme coins in general. So number one is you're going to need a laptop or a computer. I do not recommend using a phone. You can use a phone to trade, but most people on a phone will not be profitable and will not make that much money. If you're using a laptop or a computer, it makes it 10 times easier to see coins, see charts, get information on certain coins, and make money. So I highly recommend using a laptop or a computer. Number two is you need to be using Axiom Pro. Okay, Axiom Pro is the fastest and best trading tool that is out there. Every single pro trader that makes a full-time living trading meme coins uses Axiom Pro. If you're still using Phantom to trade meme coins or pumpfun or anything like that, you're never going to make any money. You're never going to become profitable. You're at an extreme disadvantage. Same thing for if you're still using Bullx or Photon, you're never going to make any money. You're at an extreme disadvantage. Axiom gives you instant charts. They give you so many awesome tools completely for free. They give you a bunch of info on tokens instantly, right? And they have the fastest fills. So you're gonna get in and out of coins literally instantly. And you can have the lowest fees too. So you can customize your fees for when you're buying or selling. And you can have very, very low fees and still get in before everybody else just because you're using Axiom. And also Axiom has the lowest platform fees. So if you didn't know, when you're trading meme coins on any platform, the platform takes a percentage of your buy and sell, and that's the fees. Axiom has by far the lowest amount of fees on both your buy and sell, so you're saving a crazy amount of money. So if you guys want to use Axiom, the link will be at the top of the description. I highly recommend using it. That is my link. If you use that link or just use code KOSKI when signing up for Axiom, you get an extra 10% off all your fees, so you even have less fees, guys. And also Axiom gives you money back just for trading. They give you a percentage of the fees they take back to you as well, which no other platform does. So you're making the most money and saving the most money. If I knew about Axiom before I started using it, I would have saved and made thousands more dollars. So use that link at the top of the description if you want to make money with meme coins. But yes, guys, the strategy, we're going to be finding coins with many key indicators that we need to be looking for if we want to find a runner. And we're only going to be buying those. So yes, you have to be patient with this strategy. You have to be patient no matter what when you're trading meme coins. But this is good for people who've been losing a lot or don't have that much money to risk or lose. At the same time, it can be good for someone with a lot of money that's just like to size into a couple plays and make big profits and big P&Ls on a couple coins. So we're going to be looking for good wallets, other people scanning with you, knowing a coin's good. Pro traders in the coin, people talking about it on social medias, and then if it's a new coin, it's unvampable. So I'm going to go in details here. So number one, we want to find a coin that has good wallets. So basically, if we see a coin, there's a lot of profitable wallets in the coin, we know that's probably a good indicator that it's a quality coin. This coin, for example, it absolutely ran. I was a little late, but this coin was moving. You can't really see here, but I promise you there was so many wallets in there. It's just because people are buying so much of it, it's lagging. But there was a lot of profitable wallets that I track that were buying this coin in this range. And if you see that, it's a buy signal, and you can buy and hold it all the way up, right? So Axiom has a free wallet tracker. That's how I find most of my cooks. So if I highly recommend you using the wallet tracker. If you want all 300 plus of the wallets I track, just join my Telegram group and DM me. It's completely free. Let me know. Be like, hey, can I get the wallets that you track? And I'll send them to you. You just go to trackers, wallet manager, import, and paste exactly what I send you in here. Click import. But you gotta track the right wallets so you can find them yourself by going to certain coins, going to top traders and finding people who made a lot of money on a lot of coins, clicking on their wallet, seeing how much they've made. Or you can just ask me in Telegram, doesn't matter. But you need to be finding coins that have a lot of good quality wallets in it. Then also another indicator that you want to see is if you're scanning with other people or in a group, if they're also looking at the same coin and saying this is a good coin, then yes, that's probably a good indicator that it is a good buy, right? So if you have good wallets in, and also people you're scanning with, if you are scanning with people are saying it's a good coin, that's also a good indicator. You want to have those two for sure. Now you don't have to be trading with people. I usually don't, but that's just if you are, that's a good indicator as well. And then also pro traders in the coin. So on Axiom, you can go to any coin, you go down here, you can see pro traders. This is a scam coin, so we're gonna ignore it. Obviously, you can see this chart is just not natural. But yeah, if there's a lot of pro traders in the coin, that means it's real. So we can go to this coin, 191 pro traders and 448 holders. That is not great. It has a lower percentage of pro traders than actual holders, which is a bad sign. Pro traders on Axiom just means people using a bot like Axiom. So if it's very low compared to the amount of holders, it means it's probably a bundled up coin. That's not a good buy. You want to find a coin with a lot of pro traders. We can go to this coin that I saw earlier. This is like a big runner of the day. You can see, obviously it's not a good proportion, but that's because it's super high. 645 pro traders, that's pretty good. That's just another confirmation on that it's a safer coin, and it could be good for a buy if it's a good narrative. Also, another indicator is we want to see people talking about it on Twitter or TikTok or whatever it is, right? We want to see it's a popular trend. So you can go to any coin on Axiom. This is a scamming coin, but just an example. You can go click on the account, this, whatever. You click on the search little magnifying glass here on any coin. It searches the CA on Twitter for you instantly. Now we can see no one's talking about the CA. So obviously it's a scam coin, but we know it's not good. You can go to a certain coin like this. I don't know what this is, but you can click on it. You can see more people are talking about it. This is a good sign. You can go to latest. How often are people tweeting the CA? Not super frequently. It's the same guy, right? Maybe not a great buy. Also, you can go on to Twitter. I'll use this coin again, like stapler, six-figure stapler. You can go here. We can delete this. We can type in the six-figure stapler. We can see are normal people talking about it, right? Is it just crypto people, or is it normal people too, right? So we could see it looks like a lot of crypto people because I put in the exact name of the coin. We can do this. We can do GameStop stapler because that's the narrative. It's like GameStop listed a stapler on eBay, and the CEO of GameStop was tweeting about it, saying it reaches six figures, blah blah blah. It's a good narrative. We could see a lot of big accounts are tweeting about it. 27 seconds ago, this verified account with 1 million followers is tweeting about it. Staplegate, that's what it's called. A lot of normal people are tweeting about this stapler, so that's a good sign that it's a good narrative. If there's a lot of people who are not in the crypto space tweeting about it as well in the crypto space. And then two real quick indicators. We want the coin to be new and unvampable, right? So this is a new coin, obviously. That means it's good. We don't want it to be a super old, like old news or old narrative. Newer the better. And also unvampable. So basically, vamp is when a coin comes out like this, for example, and then someone creates another coin with the same exact narrative, just with a supposed better ticker or better name or a better picture, and it ends up vamping it, basically getting a higher market cap than this one was currently at, and this one goes down. This one tried to get vamped by another coin that was Staplegate instead of Stapler. It did not work. So basically, you want to be buying coins that the ticker and the name and the picture are already as good as they can get. If you see a coin and you see, you think the ticker or the name or the picture can be better, then I would not recommend buying it. I would recommend waiting for the right coin to come out. If you buy coins that you think can be better, it's a high chance that it might dump and get vamped by a different coin. So like I said, you want to find good wallets in your coin. You want to have other people that are scanning with you, like the coin as well. If you are scanning with other people, you want to have a high percentage of pro traders in your coin, like you can see on Axiom. You want to have people talking about it on Twitter and TikTok. It has to be new news, a new narrative, and unvampable. It sounds like a lot, but in reality, there's at least a couple of these coins every single day. If you catch these coins and wait for these coins, you will become profitable very quickly. So I highly recommend just following these indicators, taking notes, and just making sure you're not, buying coins that do not follow any of these, indicators. But like I said, I highly recommend using Axiom Pro. You need to be using Axiom Pro to trade. They have a free Twitter tracker, which is the fastest on the market, that comes with it. Free wallet tracker, instant buy and sell fills, right? Lowest fees. That'll be top link in the description. Check it out, or just use code KOSKI when signing up. for extra percentage off your fees. And then also I have a free Telegram, like I give out free calls every single day, completely free. And if you want my wallet, just go DM me there. But I recommend joining that as well. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or Telegram. Liking and sub always appreciated, not necessary. And peace out.